Hey, everyone, ever thought that humble box of baking soda in your pantry was just for baking cookies or cleaning the fridge? Think again. What if I told you this simple, affordable powder holds secrets that could revolutionize your health? Over 80% of people miss its most potent uses. And today, we're diving deep into those hidden powers. From detoxing your body to brightening your smile, soothing discomfort, and even potentially boosting your workout, baking soda is truly an unsung hero. We'll explore how it does all this, the science behind it, and crucial safety tips you need to know. Stick around. You won't want to miss this. Before we jump in, if you're excited about uncovering these secrets, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next health insights. 1. Detoxification benefits. The alkaline powerhouse. First up, detoxification. Beyond cleaning your kitchen, baking soda is a powerful neutralizer. When dissolved in water, it becomes alkaline, helping to balance acids inside and outside your body. Think of it as gently rebalancing your system. 2. External detox baths. Many swear by baking soda baths. Adding it to your bathwater can soothe irritated skin, calm rashes, and reduce itching. While direct scientific proof for skin detox is growing, users report feeling incredibly refreshed and balanced, suggesting it helps draw out impurities and soothes inflammation. Internal support with caution. Internally, for some, a tiny amount mixed with water can help alkalize the blood and urine. This is significant because a balanced pH can help your body's natural processes flush out toxins more efficiently. For instance, studies have shown that for specific medical conditions like chronic kidney disease, sodium bicarbonate can actually help reduce acid buildup and slow disease progression. Important note: always consult your doctor before internal use, especially for serious conditions. Your body is amazing at maintaining balance, and moderation is key. 2. Teeth, whitening, and dental health. Your natural whitener. Ever wondered why so many toothpastes include baking soda? It's a fantastic mild abrasive. It gently scrubs away surface stains from coffee, tea, and everyday foods, revealing a naturally brighter, smoother smile without harsh chemicals. Balancing your mouth sector. But it's more than just a polisher. Your mouth can become acidic, which is a breeding ground for bad bacteria that cause cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Baking soda helps bring your mouth's pH back into balance, making it less hospitable for those harmful germs. Scientific studies confirm baking soda toothpastes are highly effective at plaque removal and whitening. Usage tip. Use it a few times a week, not daily, with a soft bristle brush to avoid any potential enamel wear. It's a low-cost, easy way to boost your oral hygiene at home. 3. Heartburn relief. The burning sensation explained. Heartburn, that uncomfortable burning feeling in your chest after a rich meal, is usually stomach acid refluxing into your esophagus. It's a common nuisance. Instant neutralizer. Here's where baking soda truly shines as a quick fix. It's a powerful antacid. Mix just a teaspoon in a glass of water and sip it slowly. The alkaline baking soda rapidly neutralizes that excess stomach acid, providing almost instant relief. It's a scientifically acknowledged, fast-acting remedy that's been used for generations because it simply works. No need for expensive pharmacy trips. Your kitchen holds the secret to quick comfort. 4. Antifungal properties. Targeting fungi. Fungal infections like athlete's foot thrive in moist, acidic environments. They cause annoying itching, redness, and flaking, creating an unfriendly environment. Baking soda's secret weapon here is its ability to create an alkaline environment on your skin. This makes it incredibly difficult for fungi to survive and grow. Research has shown that baking soda solutions can inhibit the growth of many common fungal strains. Simple application. For athlete's foot, try a paste of baking soda and water applied directly to the affected area or add it to a foot soak. Many report significant relief from itching and discomfort quickly, and it's a gentle, non-toxic alternative to harsher chemical creams. 5. Urinary tract infection, UTI. Support, easing discomfort. UTIs are notoriously uncomfortable, with burning during urination and frequent urges. While antibiotics are essential for treatment, baking soda can offer symptomatic relief. Neutralizing urine. The theory is that a small amount of baking soda in water can make your urine less acidic. This not only reduces the burning sensation, but may also create an environment less favorable for the bacteria causing the infection. Some studies, like one on women with recurrent UTIs, have shown promising results in reducing symptoms and discomfort. Crucial reminder, baking soda is not a cure for a UT. It's a supportive measure for symptom relief. Always seek medical attention for persistent or severe UTI symptoms to ensure proper treatment. 6. Treating canker sores, the agony of mouth ulcers. Canker sores are small, painful ulcers in your mouth that can make eating, drinking, and talking a nightmare. Soothing and healing. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate works wonders here by neutralizing the acidic environment in your mouth that often aggravates these sores. A simple rinse, half a teaspoon in warm water, can reduce inflammation, ease pain, and actually speed up the healing process. Studies have noted its mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities, helping to keep the sore clean and prevent further bacterial growth. Gentle relief. It's a gentle, natural solution you can find in your pantry for immediate relief. Improve exercise performance. Fighting muscle fatigue. Did you know athletes use baking soda as a secret weapon? When you work out intensely, your muscles produce lactic acid, causing that familiar burning sensation and fatigue. This acid buildup often forces you to stop. The buffer effect. Baking soda acts as a natural buffering agent. Taken before exercise, it helps neutralize this excess acid in your muscles, allowing you to push harder and for longer. Meta-analyses of studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly boosts performance in short, high-intensity activities like cycling and sprinting, delaying the onset of fatigue. Smart use. Athletes typically mix a teaspoon with water 60-90 minutes before training. Start with small doses to avoid any potential stomach upset. If you're looking for a natural boost to your endurance, this might be it, but always check with a healthcare provider first. 8. Enhances kidney function, supporting your kidneys. Imagine if something as simple as baking soda could help your kidneys, especially if you have chronic kidney disease, CKD. In many cases, kidneys struggle to remove acid from the blood, leading to metabolic acidosis, which can worsen kidney disease. Balancing acid levels. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid for your blood. By lowering blood acidity, it can reduce the strain on your kidneys and potentially slow the progression of kidney disease. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that CKD patients taking daily sodium bicarbonate had a significantly slower decline in kidney function and a lower risk of needing dialysis. Crucial medical supervision. This isn't a miracle cure, and never use it without strict medical supervision, especially if you have kidney or heart issues, as excessive consumption can lead to problems like high blood pressure. But under doctor's care, it can be a surprisingly impactful supplement for kidney health. 9. Item 9. Arthritis. Pain relief. Tackling inflammation. For those battling arthritis, particularly rheumatoid arthritis, chronic inflammation causes relentless joint pain and stiffness. While medication is key, new research suggests baking soda might offer a convenient complementary approach. Immune system modulation. A fascinating 2018 study in the Journal of Immunology indicates that consuming a daily baking soda solution might influence the body's immune system. It appears to calm the autoimmune activity that drives inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and helps trigger the body's own anti-inflammatory responses. Participants in the study showed a noticeable decrease in inflammatory markers. Promising outlook. This suggests baking soda could help relax the immune system and reduce joint swelling and discomfort. While more research is needed, it's an exciting prospect for natural support. 10. Gout management. Understanding gout. Gout is a truly excruciating form of arthritis caused by an accumulation of uric acid in the blood, leading to sharp crystal formation in joints. Neutralizing uric acid. Because baking soda is alkaline, it can help counteract excessive uric acid in the blood, reducing the likelihood of those painful crystals forming. By helping to restore a balanced baking soda may lessen the frequency and intensity of gout attacks. Studies have shown that alkalinizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can aid in dissolving uric acid crystals and encouraging their elimination through urine, providing relief during flare-ups. Doctor's guidance. Again, use under medical supervision to ensure safe and effective integration into your gout management plan. 11. Cold and flu symptom relief. Breaking down mucus. When cold and flu season hits, baking soda can be a surprising ally. Its alkaline qualities help break down thick mucus, making it easier to clear nasal passages and breathe better. Soothing sore throats. One of the best uses is gargling. A simple mixture of half a teaspoon in warm water creates a soothing rinse for a sore, inflamed throat. It not only eases discomfort, but also helps reduce the amount of bacteria and germs, making it harder for viruses to thrive. Regular gargling has been shown to significantly reduce throat discomfort and microbial load. Boost recovery. It's a gentle, scientifically supported treatment that can make a noticeable difference in how quickly you recover. Potential cancer therapy. Support. Altering the microenvironment. This might sound far-fetched, but scientists are intrigued by baking soda's potential role in cancer therapy support. Cancer cells thrive in acidic environments and can even become more resistant to treatments. Baking soda's alkalizing properties are being researched for their ability to change the pH surrounding tumor cells. Promising early research. A fascinating 2009 study found that injecting sodium bicarbonate into mice with metastatic breast cancer significantly decreased tumor acidity, which in turn inhibited cancer spread and increased tumor cell sensitivity to chemotherapy. This suggests baking soda could potentially improve the efficacy of traditional treatments. Crucial caveat: it's vital to stress this research is early stage, primarily in animal models. It's not a standalone cure, but a potential supplement to current treatments. Always consult your medical team before considering any new supplements if you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment. 13. Natural deodorant beyond masking odor. Looking for a chemical-free way to stay fresh? Baking soda is an incredibly effective natural deodorant. Unlike many commercial products that just mask odor, baking soda works by absorbing excess moisture and neutralizing the acidic compounds in sweat that cause body odor. Scientific backing. Its efficacy is scientifically proven. Studies show topical sodium bicarbonate significantly reduces underarm odor by neutralizing bacterial acids. It's free from parabens, aluminum, and artificial perfumes, making it a great choice for sensitive skin. Simple and effective. Simply sprinkle a tiny bit under your arms, either alone or mixed with a little coconut oil. You'll be surprised how fresh and dry it keeps you, even during workouts. And 14. Who should avoid baking soda? Crucial safety. The must-knows. While baking soda is amazing, it's not for everyone, especially in higher doses or frequent internal use. It's crucial to be cautious. Specific groups. Kidney problems. High sodium content can be problematic for impaired kidney function, leading to fluid retention. High blood pressure. Its sodium can elevate blood pressure further. Gastrointestinal issues can alter stomach pH and potentially worsen conditions like gastritis or ulcers. Pregnant breastfeeding. Women, excessive consumption can upset electrolyte balance. Allergies, sensitivities. Start with tiny doses. Skin irritation or digestive issues can occur. Respiratory conditions. Avoid inhaling the powder as it can irritate airways. The golden rule. Moderation and proper direction are key. If you fall into any of these categories or have underlying medical conditions, always consult a healthcare professional before adding baking soda to your health regimen. Better safe than sorry. Summary and call to action. Recap. So as you can see, baking soda is far more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful, versatile tool with surprising health benefits, backed by both traditional use and emerging science. From detoxification and oral health to soothing pain and potentially boosting performance, its hidden powers are truly remarkable. Final reminder: remember to use it wisely, in moderation, and always consult medical advice for any serious health concerns. Have you tried any of these remedies? What's your favorite use for baking soda? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know these secrets. We appreciate your support and interest. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.